the world is changing. Fast. From electric cars to space exploration, we're on the cusp of a technological revolution. But perhaps the most radical shift is happening in the world of finance. As we delve into the future of finance, let's explore the compelling reasons behind Bitcoin's potential rise in value. This digital currency, born from the ashes of the 2008 financial crisis, is challenging the very foundation of our monetary system. Join me as we dissect the top 10 reasons why Bitcoin's price could skyrocket, forever altering the financial landscape as we know it. Bitcoin, unlike government-issued currencies, has a fixed supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This inherent scarcity is often compared to precious metals like gold, which have maintained their value for centuries due to their limited availability. As demand for Bitcoin increases over time, this limited supply will inevitably put upward pressure on its price. This fundamental principle of scarcity is one of the cornerstones of Bitcoin's value proposition. It's a stark contrast to fiat currencies, which can be printed endlessly, leading to inflation and a devaluation of your hard-earned money. Bitcoin offers a haven in a world of monetary manipulation. Think about it. Gold has been a store of value for millennia because it's rare and difficult to mine. Bitcoin shares that same quality. Its digital scarcity is written into its code, ensuring it can never be inflated or devalued by governments or central banks. This predictable and transparent monetary policy is one of the main reasons why savvy investors are turning to Bitcoin as a safe haven asset. As more people recognize the implications of this limited supply, demand for Bitcoin will continue to grow. This growing demand, coupled with the fixed supply, creates a compelling case for a significant price appreciation in the years to come. Remember, scarcity drives value. The days of Bitcoin being a fringe asset are over. Today, major financial institutions are entering the crypto space, signaling a massive shift in perception. Companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, recognizing its potential as a long-term store of value. Even Wall Street giants like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs are now offering Bitcoin-related services to their clients. This institutional adoption is not just about speculation, it's about recognizing Bitcoin's potential to disrupt traditional finance. As these major players integrate Bitcoin into their operations, they bring with them their vast resources, expertise, and most importantly, their clients. This influx of institutional money is a major catalyst for Bitcoin's price growth. Consider this. For years, institutional investors dismissed Bitcoin as too risky, too volatile. But as the technology matured and its potential became clearer, the narrative shifted. Now, these same institutions are racing to gain exposure, fearing they will miss out on the next big thing. This institutional FOMO, fear of missing out, is a powerful force driving Bitcoin's price upward. While institutional adoption is crucial, the real revolution is happening at the grassroots level. Every day, more individuals are using Bitcoin for everyday transactions, remittances, and as a way to save money in countries with unstable currencies. This organic growth in retail adoption is a testament to Bitcoin's utility and its growing appeal as a global currency. What we're witnessing is a paradigm shift in how people think about money. Bitcoin is empowering individuals, giving them control over their finances in a way that was never possible before. It's a currency free from government control, censorship, and arbitrary manipulation. This resonates deeply with people who are fed up with the current financial system. As more people realize the benefits of using Bitcoin, the network grows stronger and its value increases. It's a virtuous cycle driven by the people, not by Wall Street or governments. This grassroots movement is creating a powerful wave of adoption that cannot be ignored. In a world of unprecedented government spending and rampant inflation, Bitcoin is emerging as a safe haven asset. Unlike fiat currencies, which are prone to devaluation due to inflationary policies, Bitcoin's limited supply makes it resistant to such manipulations. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to protect their wealth from the eroding effects of inflation. Central banks around the world are printing money at an alarming rate. This devalues existing currency, making your savings worth less over time. Bitcoin, with its fixed supply, offers a hedge against this monetary debasement. It's a life raft in a sea of inflation. Think of it this way: if you had saved $10,000 in 2010, its purchasing power would be significantly lower today due to inflation. However, if you had invested that same amount in Bitcoin, your wealth would have multiplied exponentially. This is a powerful illustration of Bitcoin's ability to preserve value in an inflationary environment. Bitcoin is not a static technology. It's constantly evolving, with developers continually improving its functionality and scalability. Advancements like the Lightning Network are making Bitcoin transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient, paving the way for mass adoption. These technological improvements are enhancing Bitcoin's utility, making it a more viable alternative to traditional payment systems. The Lightning Network is a game changer. It allows for near instantaneous Bitcoin transactions with minimal fees. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities, from micropayments to machine-to-machine transactions. It's like adding a supercharger to an already powerful engine. As Bitcoin's technology continues to improve, its value proposition becomes even stronger. It's no longer just a store of value, it's becoming a practical payment system for the digital age. This evolution is attracting developers, entrepreneurs, and innovators who are building the future of finance on top of Bitcoin. For years, regulatory uncertainty surrounding Bitcoin has been a major obstacle to mainstream adoption. However, governments around the world are now starting to provide clearer guidelines for cryptocurrency businesses and investors. This regulatory clarity is fostering a more stable environment for Bitcoin, attracting more institutional players and driving further investment. As governments recognize the potential of blockchain technology and the growing influence of cryptocurrencies, they are moving away from outright bans and towards more pragmatic regulatory frameworks. This shift is crucial for Bitcoin's long-term success. Clear regulations provide certainty for businesses operating in the crypto space. This attracts investment, fosters innovation, and ultimately benefits the entire ecosystem. As regulations become more standardized globally, the barriers to Bitcoin adoption will continue to fall. Bitcoin is more than just a technology or a currency. It's a growing community of users, developers, and believers. As more people join this network, its value increases exponentially. This is the power of the network effect. The more people use Bitcoin, the more valuable it becomes, attracting even more users in a self-reinforcing cycle. Think of it like a social network. The more users a platform has, the more valuable it becomes to each individual user. Bitcoin operates on the same principle. As the network grows, so does its utility, its security, and its overall value. This growing community is not just about numbers. It's about shared beliefs and a common vision for a more decentralized and equitable financial system. This sense of purpose is a powerful driving force behind Bitcoin's adoption. In a world increasingly dominated by digital assets and virtual experiences, Bitcoin is emerging as a natural store of value for the digital age. Its inherent scarcity, its decentralized nature, and its resistance to censorship make it a compelling alternative to traditional safe haven assets like gold. This digital gold narrative is resonating with investors seeking to diversify their portfolios and protect their wealth in an uncertain world. Gold has served as a store of value for millennia, but in the digital age, we need a digital equivalent. Bitcoin, with its unique properties, is perfectly suited to fill this role. It's portable, divisible, and easily verifiable, making it ideal for the digital economy. As the world becomes increasingly digitized, the demand for a digital store of value will only grow. Bitcoin is well positioned to capture this demand, further solidifying its position as the digital gold of the 21st century. Global uncertainty is on the rise. Geopolitical tensions, economic instability, and social unrest are becoming increasingly common. In times of crisis, people naturally seek safe haven assets to protect their wealth. Bitcoin, with its decentralized nature and its independence from the government control, is emerging as a safe haven for those seeking stability in an uncertain world. When traditional systems falter, people look for alternatives. Bitcoin offers a way to opt out of a system that is failing many. It's a hedge against political and economic instability, a way to protect your wealth from the whims of governments and central banks. As global uncertainty continues, the demand for safe haven assets like Bitcoin is likely to increase. This flight to safety could drive significant price appreciation as more people seek refuge in Bitcoin's decentralized and resilient network. For billions of people around the world, access to basic financial services remains a distant dream. They are excluded from the traditional banking system, leaving them vulnerable to exploitation and poverty. Bitcoin offers a solution. Its decentralized nature and its ability to bypass traditional financial intermediaries empower individuals to take control of their finances, regardless of their location or their social standing. Imagine a world where anyone with a smartphone can access financial services. That's the promise of Bitcoin. It's a tool for financial inclusion, empowering individuals in developing countries and underserved communities. As Bitcoin adoption grows in emerging markets, it's creating new opportunities for economic empowerment and financial freedom. This is not just about profit, it's about creating a more equitable and accessible financial system for everyone. We've explored the top 10 reasons why Bitcoin's price could skyrocket, but it's essential to remember that the cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile. Investing in Bitcoin carries risks, and it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. However, the potential rewards are undeniable. Bitcoin represents a paradigm shift in finance, a radical departure from the traditional systems that have failed so many. It's a revolution brewing in the digital realm, a revolution that empowers individuals, challenges the status quo, and offers a glimpse into a future where finance is more equitable, transparent, and accessible. Bitcoin is not just about money, it's about freedom, innovation, and the belief in a better future. As we stand on the precipice of this financial revolution, one thing is clear. Bitcoin has the potential to reshape the global financial landscape, creating a world where money is no longer a tool of control, but a catalyst for empowerment and progress.